All right, good afternoon, people, world, whoever, wherever. Welcome back to Half Fast 719. Does this work? 60 degrees. Okay. I can't find anything other than the obvious dumb answers. So, I've Googled it, searched it. Refrigerator. Obviously, it says left and it says right. But when I ask the question on Google, I say which side is the refrigerator, which side is the freezer. Obviously, freezer is going to be the colder side, left. Refrigerator is going to be right. But, like on this particular machine, it doesn't say left, it doesn't say right. I flipped the door, so this used to be on that side, the latch used to be on this side, so it used to go the other way. There's no markings in here. Now maybe other refrigerator things do, but I want to check what is the freezer, what is the refrigerator. 51, 37. So inside here, well, 36, 51. That's frozen water, so we can't count that. So it might be 10 degrees off. Anyway, I have it set to 36 degrees because last time I went somewhere, all my stuff froze. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the ice water on this side. Even though it's a nice little compartment, I'm going to keep it on this side. Which is dumb because you would think that the refrigerator side should be bigger. But this, I'll just keep these here. So this will be refrigerator side. Just kicked on. So I'm thinking refrigerator side because the pump and the motor and everything are right here. So this is the warmer side. And then this is the colder side. So 37, 37. This is off by 10 degrees. I wonder where it gets its temperature reading from, of 41. But if you take the center off, the centerpiece out, which I don't really want to, it converts it to the whole thing being one temperature. And it'd be kind of cool if this was like gel filled, like the packs. Might even be able to do it by taking that off. However, that might be a magnet to tell it that this is in here. But it'd be kind of cool if this was gel filled, like those gel packs. Kind of wonder if you can drill a hole, fill it. It seems sealed enough. Almost willing to try it. And then you can have this in here, and it'll keep everything cold, like a regular lunchbox ice chest. So that one in, automatically turned it into a dual zone, which I'm kind of wondering if I should keep it out. I don't know. You guys let me know. Should I keep it out? Keep this whole thing one temperature? Or keep it in? Yeah, I'm going to keep it in. Because it holds these ice packs, I would call it. So the only thing that sucks is that I bring more refrigerated food than freezer food. I only bring, my freezer food is usually 8 frozen like keto egg sandwich things. That's the only thing I'd want to keep frozen. And the rest is like yogurt, eggs, which eggs, yogurt could stay over here. Yeah, I don't know. So anyway, so it turns out this is the refrigerator side. That is freezer side. So I kind of want to write that on here. So this way, if I ever flip this door again, just so people know and I know. I'm gonna grab a Sharpie and write that on there. Anyway, it's still windy, off and on, a little less than it was last night. So, how should I write it? Fridge. And I'm gonna do freezer. Yes, I always do my F's larger because that's how I am. So then when you remove this, it becomes one whole thing. So I guess I can write left would be here, even though it's on my right. So and then this would be, and freezer is left, and refrigerator is right. I don't think I can write looking through the camera, but anyway. Okay, so now we know, because it's one of the things I was looking up, like how do you tell where the freezer is, where the refrigerator is? There's nothing on here. And because this is a cheap one that I got from wherever, a Bose, I think I got it on eBay. I think it was pretty cheap. But anyway, yeah. What was I gonna say? So I couldn't find anything on what is the right or left, what is the freezer, what is the refrigerator. I get it, right is one temperature, left is one other temperature. But I had food in both. I had my eggs actually in here and they froze. I swapped them over here and they were still frozen. Swapped them back. Anyway, so now I know that is the freezer side. So if you guys want to know, use a temp gun, turn your thing on, and check it with a temp gun, because not all are going to be the same, but they might be the same. I would just think of it as the motor is on this side, the pump and everything. So this would be your warmer side. And obviously nothing's here warming this up, so this would be your colder side. So if your pump is over here, then that's probably going to be where your refrigerator is. Anyway, hopefully this helped some people. But anyway, guys. Why is this so gross? Anyway, all right, hopefully it helped. If it helped, let me know. If it didn't help, sorry. Anyway, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, do what you do. Later.